Dato Sri Suryani binti Dato Ahmad currently working as Secretary General at Ministry of Entrepreneur Development and Cooperatives. She was born on 25 July 1968 in Perlis. She completed her bachelor degree in communications with honors at USM on 1993. In 2006, she graduated with Master of Arts in Strategy and Diplomacy from UKM. She has been worked in several positions in the field of public service nearly 26 years. Moreover, she had received numerous awards as a result of her great achievements, including the Best Officer Award and the Excellent Employee Award. Next, MEDAC. MEDAC is a government corporation that keeps providing funding as well as new business prospect, digitalization, entrepreneurship training, and interaction section with various associations and organizations to micro, SME, and cooperatives.
The vision, mission, and objective. The vision to make Malaysia as a united, prosperous, and dignified entrepreneurial nation. Mission to create a holistic and conducive entrepreneurship ecosystem for sustainable, balanced, and inclusive economic development in Malaysia. Objective to promote an inclusive, sustainable, knowledge and innovation-driven entrepreneurial ecosystem to support the country's entrepreneurship development plan. Main roles and functions. First, setting direction of the country's entrepreneurship development. 2. Enculturating Malaysian community with the entrepreneurial mindset and values. 3. Strengthening entrepreneurship ecosystem of the country. 4. Enhancing access to financing. 5. Facilitating access to domestic and international market. 6. Providing supportive ecosystem for cooperative development. And lastly, providing entrepreneurial support and assistance as well as capacity buildings.
Next, I'm going to talk about the strategy used for new venture creation. First of all, the Government of Malaysia has introduced policies and master plan to support holistic entrepreneurship ecosystem and development for progressive growth for MSMEs so that we can have something to form. Those policies and master plans also something that we can refer to guide us in forwarding the country in our economic recovery. So one of the policy that it has been introduced is Shared Prosperity Vision, which is SPV 2030, to ensure Malaysia as a nation achieves sustainable growth. Other than that, another policy has been introduced is called National Entrepreneurship Policy 2020. It is a strategic direction of Malaysia in terms of entrepreneurship development.
Furthermore, Malaysia Social Entrepreneurship Blueprint 2030, or in short SEMY 2030, was introduced by the government. SEMY 2030 is the new national direction for development of social entrepreneurship in Malaysia, with the aim of mainstreaming social enterprise as effective contributions to the country's inclusive, balanced, and sustainable socio-economic development. Next, West Malaysia Plan 2021 until 2025 was created from 3 themes, 4 policy enablers, and 14 game changers. Highlight here that Game Changers 3 was transforming micro, small, and medium enterprise as the new drive of growth, which priority area is in boosting capabilities of entrepreneur and enterprise. The strategy here that creating innovative and sustainable enterprise, promoting inclusive participation through MSME, cooperative and agriculture-based solutions, and lastly, create a conducive and holistic ecosystem for entrepreneurship.
Okay, I will continue about the suggested strategy to rural creation. According to Dato Suryani Dato Ahmad, there are 3 strategies that can help other entrepreneurs in increasing wealth creation for their companies. The first one is creating innovative and sustainable enterprise. Business engage in sustainability entrepreneurship for a number of reasons, such as to build their brand and image and to profit financially by setting the standard for commercial practice that have a positive impact on society and the environment where they operate. Okay, the second one is promoting inclusive participation through SMEs, cooperative, and agriculture-based association. Since the beginning of the crisis, MSMEs have played an increasingly important role. During this time, the existence and function of MSMEs was able to take the lead as the primary economic driver. Local governments actively participate in the development of MSMEs to assist their growth. The local government was to support MSMEs by, among others, enhancing various facilities and assisting with product branding. Not only MSMEs, but also cooperative and agriculture-based associations.
Lastly, the suggested strategy to wealth creation of this company is creating a conducive and holistic ecosystem. As for example, the Green Recovery presents a chance to carry out more extensive and fundamental restructuring of key sectors and activities. Governments should not scale back their green recovery plans in the face of other pressures, because this can help to reduce emissions of greenhouse gases and the share of energy demand met with fossil fuels, and increase energy security.
As a conclusion, this can only be accomplished by modifying and adapting the economic ecology in order to better fulfill market demands and ensure long-term economic development. To further eliminate income gaps between income categories, ethnicities, regions, and supply chains, the advantages of this new economic model should be dispersed in a fairer and more egalitarian manner. This critical component will be created as part of the Shared Prosperity Vision 2030, with a strong commitment to reducing economic gaps among income categories, ethnicities, regions, and supply chains, that providing a good quality of life for the people.